Hello. To create more realistic surfaces, yes, you can use light and post-processing. And I turn off this, and here I turn on the wireframe. I created a UV map and use more only multi-res works. Subdivide it one more time or two times, and you can search the internet for textures like a rock texture like this. Only download this picture here, press and download the photo, and you can use the stamp tool or any other tool. It works with every tool, but stamp tool is probably the best. And here upload your picture and use a white color. Paint this in the base color, and for the alpha, import the same texture picture. Okay, and now place the texture on the surface of the object. You can play around with a fall off and so on. I turn off the wireframe. Now you got this rock, and to use it low poly in version 1.6.6, it's possible to bake the vertex painting. And now you can decimate the object down. And now it has a wireframe of 6,000 vertices with the texture of the rock. And to do this with a tree or something, you can unwrap. Does it unwrap? Now we got the UV map, and use multi-resolution, subdivided, yes, high resolution, and use a stamp and the other texture, like I think the spark texture here, and change the alpha. You can use here the scaling, and here you can now apply the texture of the bark. I use radial symmetry at the moment. Yes, it's like this. And you can create details, use the same, use the other texture, a green for moss, and I choose, I think this is this one, and make sure that the paint intensity is real high, a 9 or like this. And here you can play around now. I use a little bit of other, and here you can paint now the other structure like this. And when you're fine, bake your vertex painting and decimate the tree down. Come on. $29,000. Okay. And now we got a nice lights on, post-processing. Yes, and now the tree looks like this. And when we can play around with the lights. Now brown light. Yes, that's it. Ciao.